If the DLS25 app is not opening today, there are a few steps you can try to solve the problem. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check if the app works on a different network. Next, press on the DLS25 app icon and tap App Info. Go to Storage Usage, then tap Clear Cache. After that, tap Clear Data. This will reset temporary files but will not harm your account. Now, check for updates. Open the Play Store or App Store, search for DLS25, and install any available update. Outdated versions can stop working properly. Restart your phone after updating. Sometimes a simple reboot fixes loading issues. If the app still doesn't open, uninstall it completely and reinstall the latest version from the store. This ensures you have a fresh copy without bugs. Finally, check if the game servers are under maintenance. If many users are facing the same issue today, you might need to wait until the servers are back online. After trying these steps, DLS25 should start working normally again.